In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos to gallery. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google. So I will go to my Google and then search for YouTube and then click on YouTube here and then click on search and then search for the video that you want to download. So for example, I will search or click on cat's eye and then I will choose the video that I want to download here. So for example, it's this. And then after that, click on download. Then you can choose the resolution here, like medium or high. So to download this, you will need to purchase a premium. So for this example, I don't have a premium here. So for example, we successfully download it here. And then after we purchase a premium, a YouTube premium, you can click the account profile and then after that scroll all the way down until you see the downloads and you will see the downloaded videos here. You will appear here, it will appear here, and then after that go back. The other method is go to your videos. Here, if you want to download or save the gallery, your videos uploaded on YouTube, click on three dots, click on save the device. And that's it, guys. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.